Hey, what's up? In this video we will talk about the most expensive wireless earbuds I have ever tested. They cost $150. The name of these earbuds is Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. Of course, they are not the most expensive earbuds on the market, but they are definitely the most expensive ones I have tested. However, there are many other wireless earbuds that cost much more, for example, Apple AirPods Pro. I have already tested many budget wireless earbuds on our channel, Tech Brothers, but now I am wondering if the new Anker earbuds are really better than budget models. So please hit the like button under this video, and let's get started! Here we can see the first difference between Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro and budget earbuds. The box of Anker earbuds looks premium. It is quite big, and there are many information about the device on the box. For comparison, this is a box of $30 earbuds. On the back of the box we can read about main features of Anker Liberty 2 Pro, such as Astria Coaxial Acoustic Architecture, up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, and 32 hours with charging case, HearID personalized sound, wireless charging compatible, and crystal clear calls. We will talk about these features in details a little later. Inside the box we can see the internal structure of earbud. On the right there is charging case, 2 earbuds, user manual and other documentation, USB-C charging cable, 7 extra ear tips of different size from XS to L+, and 3 ear wings. They are also different size, small, medium and large. You know, I can already understand why these earbuds cost $150. I haven't listened to music yet, but the first impression of unboxing is great. So before using Anker earbuds, you need to choose the right ear tips and ear wings for you. I have already done this. You know, these earbuds are not very compact at all. I have many budget earbuds, and all of them are smaller than Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. However, Anker earbuds are one of the most comfortable among all earbuds that I have tested. You just need to choose the right ear tips and ear wings for you. On the outside of earbud, we can see Anker logo and LED indicator. On the top there is R inscription and physical control button. On the bottom there is charging contacts. The microphone is on the front. The left earbud is the same as the right one. This is not a surprise. However, the charging case was a big surprise for me. It is also bigger than other budget earbuds, 75 by 60 by 30 mm. However, the biggest surprise for me was an opening method. You just need to slide the lid to open a charging case. It is very smooth and easy. I like it very much. Inside there's a lot of space for earbuds. On the front of charging case there are 3 LED lights. On the back there's a button to check the battery level and USB-C charging port. So Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro are really big earbuds, and they stick out of the ears. However, they are still very comfortable. There are many ear tips and ear wings in the package, and one of them will suit you perfectly. By the way, Anker earbuds are also waterproof by IPX4 standard. Let me quickly tell you about specifications, and then we will move on to connection, application and sound quality. Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro earbuds are equipped with a balanced armature and 11mm dynamic driver. They support Bluetooth 5.0 and a Qualcomm IPTX. Another feature of Liberty 2 Pro earbuds is for built-in microphone and CVC 8.0 noise reduction. The connection of Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro differs from budget earbuds. First, you need to install Soundcore application on your Android and iOS device. Then choose headphones on the top and tap on Liberty series. Here choose Liberty 2 Pro and allows to make and manage phone calls. Wait a little and then you will be prompted to go Bluetooth settings menu. Now connect to Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. By the way, you don't need to take the earbuds out of charging case. You can open the case and the earbuds will be available for connection. After pairing, return to Soundcore app. Let's talk about main features of the app. On the main screen of the app, we can see the left and right earbuds. You can tap on them to check the battery level. You can also press on 3 dots in the top right corner to update firmware, read quick start guide and user manual. Just like other wireless earbuds, Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro have control functions. However, unlike other budget earbuds, Liberty 2 Pro have customized commands. You can assign a function to double tap on the left and right earbud. For example, play the next or previous song, call Voice Assistant, volume up and down. You can also assign a command and hold for 1 second. By default, it is called Voice Assistant. However, the main feature of the app and earbuds themselves is equalizer. There is default and custom equalizers, as well as equalizer from Grammy-winning producers. You know, I tested some of them, but I don't really like any equalizer from producers. I think it is better to use HearID. Let's talk about this feature. HearID is a function in mobile app. As you can see, it maps your personal hearing sensitivity at multiple frequencies and analyzes the results. HearID test takes about 3 minutes. Before starting the test, you need to turn off any audio and don't change the phone volume. You just need to press on the screen when you hear the sound. When you can't hear the sound, don't press on display. HearID is the most personalized way to customize the sound for yourself. From my experience, the sound is the best after HearID test. Talking about battery life, Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro have 8 hours of playtime on a single charge and 32 hours with charging case. It is a very good battery life for wireless earbuds. By the way, Liberty 2 Pro also support wireless charging and quick charging. 10 minutes of charge is enough for 2 hours of playtime. So Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro are not only the most expensive wireless earbuds that I tested, but also the best one. Now I understand why people buy expensive earbuds. They have many ear tips and ear wings for maximum comfort, a great sound quality and unique features such as HearID. Also, Anker earbuds have a very useful app with customized control buttons and a long battery life, 8 hours on a single charge and 32 hours with charging case. If you are willing to spend $150 on earbuds, then you should definitely buy Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. They are awesome, and no budget earbuds will match it. By the way, I have $30 coupon code on these earbuds. You can buy Liberty 2 Pro for only $120. I will leave the coupon code in description under the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.